And this is where I am staying tonight in Turkey. So we've got a little courtyard here. This is quite a lot of space for what is only one room. But yeah, got a little chill area here. A table, I can have my coffee in the morning maybe. But let's have a look inside, because this is pretty cool. So yeah, this whole place, the hotel, it's pretty much all made out of a cave. It's around 2,000 years old. Thankfully I've got full working Wi-Fi in the room, which is handy. Yeah, so I've got 2 beds in here, although this is not where I'm going to be staying tonight. I'm going to be staying here. Just look at this. Stunning. It's the only word for it. Absolutely stunning. And the bathroom, well, it's not just any bathroom. We've got a hot tub, got a shower, lots of room. It's really cool. It's very cool, nice and cool. It's not really cold, but it's cool. And yeah, a couple of sinks, bathroom, not bad.